Hey everyone, and welcome to this short video on how to become a certified AI specialized product development expert. As you know, these days everybody is talking about AI, and AI basically has impact on every job, every office job at least. So if you're in product development, then AI is definitely for you, and this certification basically helps you with a lot of benefits. So first of all, the certified status gives you a lot more job opportunities. Basically, if you have the AI knowledge in-house as a product development expert, then you will save a lot of time. You basically show your future-proof your skills. By that, these days, if a company hires some product developer, then having this knowledge is basically of tremendous benefit. So, because somebody with AI knowledge will always be hired opposed to somebody without AI knowledge. On average, we see that people with AI knowledge have a 30% higher salary because they're simply more efficient, more productive. They save more time doing their tasks, etc. So you basically prepare yourself for career growth, if you will. So in order to learn how to use AI, I basically advise you to go to our product development courses. So there's a whole bunch of them. We basically categorize AI for founders, process development scientists, UX experts, process engineers. So you can do either one of these training programs, and basically the product development certificate will be adjusted for those. So run through, if we, for example, take the AI for product managers course here, we have both the video and the prompt courses. These are the ones you need to do in order to succeed with the certification. So all these video courses are basically converting you from a beginner to a professional, and basically learn you all the basics of AI. And if you do all the prompt courses, in this case for product managers, then you will basically learn all of the things you can do with AI. So from market trend analysis, customer feedback aggregation, feature prioritization, etc. So all of these tasks you will learn under the prompt courses. Then the custom GPTs and the AI tools are more of a reference for your own use. So one of the benefits of the complete AI platform is that we will always keep you up to date on all of the AI developments that are relevant for you as in this case, product manager. So that's one of the benefits of this platform. The platform itself, by the way, is just $99 a year. So it's very affordable, or $29 a month if you just want to test it out for a month. There's also a little trial available, so nothing to lose there. So let me quickly run you through the process. So first of all, you can apply for an AI certification. On the bottom of this page, you will fill in this little form. Then we will do a eligibility check. So we will verify if you are a user. If you are a user of the complete AI training platform, you will basically get one subscription for free each year. If you're not a user, you will pay $99 for a certification. So, which is basically the price of a yearly subscription. So basically you get your certification for free. Then we will send you the certification exam. The exam itself contains of 20 to 30 multiple choice, more theoretical questions. So you show us that you know the background of AI. Like you know all the basic things that you need to know about AI. So that's what the 20 to 30 multiple choice questions are for. The 4 to 8 practical long form project-based questions basically show that you have real world experience in product development scenarios. So this is our more open-ended project-based questions, if you will. Then you can do this exam at your own pace. So that's all good. Usually we advise to do it within a couple of weeks. And then we will do an evaluation for you. This is a manual review, and we will do this within a few days. 1 week if it's busy, but at the moment it's a few days, even though it's quite busy. Then you either pass the exam and you will get your diploma/certificate as a certified AI product development expert. And if you fail, we will basically give you extensive feedback and you can do the test again. Well, it's important to say that since this is all a manual process, if you do the test again, there is a secondary payment. And for subscribers, that is $79, and for non-subscribers, that's $99. Good. On this page, you will find more information on the subject, including a long FAQ section if you have any questions. So check that out over here. We got a whole bunch of certifications. So if you want to do more than one certification, that's also cool. For example, if you also want to do the marketing course, sales course, whatever is relevant for you, you can do that as well. And again, subscribers only pay $79 for each certification. So that's quite a big bargain. It's quite affordable for a certification. So yeah, if you feel like checking this out, go to completeaitraining.com. I'm logged in now, but normally there's a sign up button on the top here that you can use. The sign up process is very easy. You can directly dive into all the training material. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon as a certified AI product development specialist. Have a wonderful day.